Hello, my friends. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya at Sidegigcrafts. Guys, I have got to share these with you. I have found this company, and this is new to me. It may not be to you, but it is new to me, and I am so excited that I found this company. And I think you will be too. I wanted to share these because they are the most beautiful, unique stamps that I have seen in a very long time. And there's just so many to choose from. They've got great sales going on. I am not sponsored in any way. Would I consider it? Absolutely. So I don't get anything about telling anything out of it other than the satisfaction of sharing with my friends. So I want to let you guys know about Unity stamps. They also have a Unity show and tell Facebook group. You can check them out too. I am so loving their products, you guys. Go check out their website. I'm going to share the link below and tag them. Along with my wonderful stamps, they also send thank you gifts out. They sent me this itty bitty little, I don't know if it's an arrow. It could be an arrow. It could be a tree. Either way, super cute. I love it. And they sent just this little tag kit with some string and some papers. And it's just so nice of them to, you know, that's a lot for all the orders that they have to give. So that's really super generous and super sweet. I've gotten a little thank you with every package that I've gotten. I think I've got about 3 deliveries, maybe 4 now. And I have one on the way. It's like every time I get a little bit extra, I'm like, oh, I got to get one. I got this bunny. This is Luna. They have an adoption series. And when you adopt their little rescue tales, animals, they have the story about the animal on the back. And then they give, I believe it's 10% to the rescues. Something like that. They do give a percentage of the purchase to the rescues, the animal rescues. So this one has a little stamp. It says, what does it say? I'm here for you, and something, I can't read that one. I can't remember. Does it show me on here? Need anything? And I'm here for you. Those are the 2 stamps that they show. And then the little bunny. Isn't he cute? Just so adorable. Little Luna. Love it. Love it. Love it. And then there's, let me see if I'm going to find the animal ones first, because I got a few of those. You guys have already seen Bruce. He's adorbs. And it says, my hey, little guy, what's up? And I made those super fun cards with him. So I've been playing with him a bit. And did I get another one of those adoption ones? I think that's it for the adoption ones that I've gotten so far. That's another thank you gift they gave me. I got a couple little, they have little itty bitties. This one says, you are something magical. And these were on sale, I think for $13.99 or something recently. They may not be that same price now because it was a sale, but they do have some other good things going on right now. They're not that expensive though. You are something magical is what this one says. And I thought that would be fun. It's a good size. And then they have, this is, these considered, yeah, these are considered itty bitties too. You guys saw me use this one on the garden cards the other day. And that's what it looks like. Consider how the wildflowers grow. They stamp perfectly, perfectly. I got this one. It's called Stunner. Isn't she amazing? I can't wait to play with her. It says, bless your heart. At least now you never have to worry about getting old. Or no, dying young. You must have been a stunner when you were young. And then I was going to buy you a funny birthday card, but at your age, I'm genuinely concerned you may pee yourself. I love her. I love her. Look at her little flamingo umbrella. Wonderful. Look, she's good size. She's going to fill up the whole card. I absolutely adore these, you guys. And then look at this little guy, little bloomer. And it says, sending a little love your way, and you make everything bloom. He's a really good size too. Perfect for cards. Perfect for that main piece. Then this one, oh, I just love these. Little mouse on the dandelion there. May all your wishes come true and dream big. Aren't they adorable? This one, snarky cat thoughts. This one is just all the little sayings. To one of the few people I can tolerate, I can't even. Your cat doesn't give a shit, but I do. Excuse my language. That's what it says. May your day be filled with joys crossed out. It says cats. I wish everything was as easy as getting fat. And it's got the thought bubble. You're old. Birthday, a day to celebrate that you haven't died in the last year. WTF, hey. It's been one of those days for like 3 years now. I love doing nothing with you. Aren't these awesome? You could put these with probably any stamp in your collection. Snarky cat thoughts. Love it. And then we have Tiny Tutu Soiree. Look at the little mouse and with her little cupcake. You just get sweeter and sweeter. May your birthdays be full of tiny delights. Eek, it's your special day. Super, super cute. And she's a good size too. Looks like she'd be little, but she's not. She's actually about 3.5 inches. Oh, excuse me, please. All right. And then a little ruffled. Look how cute he is. This says, this birthday card isn't late. It's just really early for next year. Sometimes we all feel a little ruffled. This is an apology card. You're not falling apart. You're just getting extra character. Sorry, everything sucks right now. It says, ack. Dang it, I'm late again. Consider this a hug. Cute. Again, it's a really good size. This little guy is about 2.25 inches tall. So love that one too. And then we've got one, and this one's called Pissy Cat. This little character, and I got several. Oh, you know what? I might have got a duplicate of this one. Well, maybe. All right, here's to another year of pretending to like people. Whatever. Let's pretend I care. It's your birthday. At least you still have one life left. And let's celebrate by leaving me alone. He's just too flippin' cute. All right, this little guy is almost 3 inches tall. I love his little face. Love it. And last but not least for these orders, so I can put them away now. I'm going to make some cards, of course. This one is Mortal Sparkle. It says, you're an eternal sparkle in a mortal disguise. You're just getting warmed up. Old, please. You're not old. You're vintage fabulous. Isn't she adorable? I love, love, love this one. And this is all one piece too. And this one is about 3.25 inches. So that's, again, a really good size for a card. Super, super fun. You guys, like I said, I just want to share these. I'm not pushing, I'm not promoting, and I'm not sponsored. So I'm just sharing these with you because I think you'd enjoy them. You're going to be seeing me stamping with some of these things in the near future because I have some cards to make. These are just too fun to put away and never get out. So you're going to be seeing a lot of them. And probably mass making some. I think this is Easter, of course. Oh, I have the other cat one with, where is he? This one. I almost forgot this one. Look, somebody's grumpy. Look at him in his little Easter costume. This is my egg-sided face. Hoppy? No. Fluff off. Spring is in the air, and so is my attitude. Isn't he adorable? These, I'm going to be using probably a combination of these for my Easter cards. I absolutely adore them. So you guys go check them out. If you're looking for some stamps, go check them out. You know, if you can only add 1 or 2, cool. You know, I think you'll really, really like them. So thanks for hanging out with me again. I hope you find something you love. I hope you're doing something crafty and something that brings you joy today. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.